Hi guys, my name is Federico and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to inflate a sports ball. So no one likes playing with balls that don't bounce, and so I wanted to show you guys a PE skill where I wanted to show you how to use an air pump to properly inflate a ball all on your own. It's very easy. And so today what we're going to use is any inflatable ball that needs air. As you can see, this volleyball is very flat. It doesn't have to be a volleyball, it could be a basketball, soccer ball, football, it doesn't matter. You need a ball pump that has a PSI gauge. A PSI gauge looks like this, and as you can see, there are a lot of numbers. And you need a needle. If your ball pump doesn't come with a needle, you're gonna need a needle. So first, you wanna gather all your materials, which I have. And now you're gonna grab your ball pump needle right here and attach it to the ball pump. As so. And now, I recommend that you wash your hands with soap and water before doing this next step, but I've already kind of pre-moistened my needle already. But you want to put saliva on the palm side of your index finger right here and your thumb, and you want to kind of rub it together like this, and then rub it all over the needle. And now once your needle is moistened, the reason you want to do this is so that it doesn't get stuck in the ball hole. That's like the worst thing to happen while you're pumping a ball. So you want to insert it. Just kind of nudge it in there very gently. Okay. And now you want to check how much PSI your ball needs. It usually shows next to the barcode around right here. It says, you can see that, it says 4 to 6 PSI. So I'm gonna try my best using the ball pump to pump it to around 4 to 6 PSI. Okay, so I'm gonna begin. Okay, so there's that. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna yank it out. I'm going to very gently kind of like twist it. Notice what I'm doing, kind of moving it side to side, and just like that. And when you clean up, you wanna remove the ball pump needle from the thing and put away everything you need to. And after which, your ball should be good as new. All right, thank you for listening, and I hope that helps you out.